Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode on Lumber Capital Log Yard. So we're taking a break from the sawmill to do some firewood production. Why? Well, because it's been building up as we've been neglecting it. Today, the boss, our dad, has been on the chainsaw cutting these logs up for us, as well as some of the slab wood you see there. Jade has been operating the loader, bringing the material to me, and then I've been working on the axis here to actually split it down, toss it into the conveyor, which goes right into the trailer. This system looks a little bit different from the last time you saw it. We moved the axis here under the pavilion, so it's out of the weather, at least as much as it can be. And so it's a little bit different because it used to be down there. So yeah, we're gonna make some firewood now. So stay tuned and let's get to pumping it out. Just a brief note before we get started. If you haven't checked out our website yet, lumbercapital.com, make sure that you head on over there and check out our online store where you'll find all of the wood supply for all of the wood projects you have planned over the holiday season. Plus, enjoy free shipping through December 31st. Happy woodworking.